Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to create video in HTML. So first I'm going to open VS Code and you'll see that I have this video here. So now I'm going to create a new file named video.html. Now I'm going to write doc, then I will name it video in HTML and CSS. So now I'm going to write a H1, then I will write video in HTML and CSS. So now I'm going to write video and the source is going to be signup.mp4. Now I'm going to save it and then open it in my browser. Now we will see that it's just a black screen. We can't even do anything with it, so we will have to write controls. Now I will save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that there are controls. Hello friend. So now I'm going to go to VS Code, then I'm going to write width like 100px. Now I will reload the browser. So now I will reload the browser, then it will be smaller. Hello. So now I'm going to go to VS Code and then I will write body. Then I'm going to write background color like brown. Now I will save it and then I will go to the HTML and write link. Then we're going to write video. We're going to change it to video.css. Now I will save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that the background changes. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.